So here this is the starting the welcome page. So while we choose us, so all the features what we are going to add here, and this is the menu. So we can manage menu here. Okay, we can add items. Okay, so I'm going to add like uh, chicken wings, and category I'm going to add chicken. And price, and as well as I'm going to add the image. You can check for image. Okay, I'm going to add, okay, image, and for suppose I selected this image. So I'm going to add the item and click on add item. So you can see here the item added successfully. Okay, so I'm going to log out here now. So now we'll check with the user to log in. Okay, so here, okay, so we have to create a user first. Okay, okay, so here we added item. So it's going to be, we can add it to cart. So it's going to display here, and you can go to cart. You can proceed to checkout. Okay, so and you can choose a table, which table you want, and you can place an order. So order confirmed, and it's in pending because in restaurant still they didn't do any kind of operations, like it's under process or it's complete or anything. Okay, now again we will go to admin. Now in admin we can see what are the recent orders we have. Okay, so we can click on the orders. So it's in pending, so just we can select preparing or completed. So it's going to work on that, and completed, order is completed. So still now we didn't get any kind of reviews on a particular order, right? And we will go to user now and get started. Okay, so we'll make a login. So username and password. Okay, so here we can see your orders. So it's completed, and you can give a review on a particular order. So you can give rating. And submit review. So once we submit review, the review is going to submitted. And in menu in admin we can add a number of items, what are the items we need, and it's going to display here to the user. And in admin we can check what are the reviews and all those things we can check in admin given by the user. Okay, so here I'm going to check with the review. So this is the review. Okay, So if you want to add items in manage menu, we can add items. Okay, so this is the overall outcome of a project.